Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. As per the Taiwan report, states that one of the pilots was caught stealing Chinook helicopter that was manufactured in the US and planned to transport it to a Chinese aircraft carrier. China intends to capture the Chinook helicopter because it is focusing on Western aircraft, thus explaining the large sum of amount being offered to the Taiwanese defense officer. The first attempt failed, and on the second try, the officer was offered $15 million in exchange for stealing a Chinook helicopter and agreeing to land on an aircraft carrier. In August, he was arrested by Taiwanese authorities, putting an end to the plan. Today, the Taiwanese High Court prosecutor's office unveiled an indictment that formally identified Lieutenant Colonel Hsieh as the principal figure involved in the unsuccessful defection attempt. In addition to Hsieh's involvement, the investigation revealed a larger spy network within the Taiwanese military that was linked to his defection. Since the spring, law enforcement has been keeping a close eye on Hsieh and his network, which has complicated the developing espionage drama. This incident follows the indictment of a group of active and retired Taiwanese officers. On November 27, charges of spying for Beijing, showcasing an unsettling trend. China, claiming Taiwan as part of its territory, has escalated both military and political pressure in an attempt to force the island to acknowledge its sovereignty, a proposition consistently rejected by the Taipei government. Over the past decade, court records and reports from Taiwan's official news agencies reveal that at least 21 active or retired Taiwanese officers, with ranks starting from captain and higher, have been convicted of engaging in espionage activities on behalf of China. These recent cases underscore the multifaceted security challenges faced by Taiwan amid growing geopolitical tensions. Taiwanese counterintelligence efforts, it seems, are particularly honed in on the military domain, with a significant majority of suspected spies having affiliations with the military or facing accusations of attempting to enlist soldiers into espionage activities. It's worth noting that the United States, like most countries, does not officially recognize Taiwan as an independent state, but remains opposed to any unilateral changes in the cross-strait status through the use of force. As Taiwan grapples with these espionage challenges, the broader implications of such incidents may further strain the delicate relationship between Taiwan and China, adding another layer of complexity to an already challenging geopolitical landscape in the Asia-Pacific region. The evolving situation calls for heightened vigilance and strategic measures to safeguard national security interests. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section.